All right, so let's continue with our conceptual discussions on the topic of electric dipole. See, when you try to find electric field due to a dipole configuration, there are two places you can find the dipole. One is the axis of the dipole. That's a line joining the minus q and plus q charge. And the second place you can find the electric field is the equatorial plane of the dipole, which means, a perpendicular axis passing through the middle of the dipole. So let's first discuss the axis of the dipole. You can see I have taken a point P on the left hand side where we're trying to find the electric field. The electric field due to plus Q and minus Q charges have been written with direction. Plus Q is away and minus Q is towards. And you can see the resultant is nothing but the vector addition of these two electric fields. So you can see the net electric field due to a dipole along the axis of the dipole is in the same axis as the axis of the dipole. So we will discuss more about this and the next topic of electric field due to a dipole on the equatorial plane in my next video. Thank you.